Good day at John's ShopRite Pharmacy. We're excited to announce that we now stock the Solax Transformer. Super convenient, compact, all-in-one scooter with a motor that folds and unfolds completely independently on its own. Got this one in a cool, we call it the Bumblebee yellow. And you're ready to go. Flip your seat up. Super compact, very easy to use. Got the plastic on the wheel, so we got a little drifting going on here. And you're on your way. When you're ready to fold it up, take it, throw it on the back of your car. All you gotta do is fold the seat down. Has a removable folding basket for convenience. Very lightweight. So for those travelers, flyers, cruise ship lovers, come on in.